A very wonderful money platform, Bool Network. Hi guys, welcome to today's video on this channel. Here is a very good money platform, Bool Network, that is launching in few days time. The mainnet of this project is launching in few days time. You can see that beta mainnet launching 3 days time. So guys, in this video I will guide you through all the processes you need to follow to start this mining platform. Meanwhile, before we move on guys, I would like to know your comments about this project. Is it going to be a very good one or not? Guys, like this video, give me a like in this video. So before we move on, here is what you need to know about this project. Beta mainnet on November 10. So this project mainnet is launching November 10. End big before it's live. Bool Network mainnet is going live on November 10. So we have few days, guys, before this project is before the mainnet launches, and it's going to end. That is tBOL is what you're going to mine on this platform. So what you need to do, guys, is very simple. You need to follow simple instruction as I guide you through in this particular video. So we have two important things that you need to do. The first thing is that ensure you claim a Bool Mainnet badge. You need to claim this badge, the badge you see on the screen. You need to claim the badge, and I'll guide you through the process on how to claim the badge in this particular video. Then to minimize your airdrop amount, you need to stake all your Bool token. You can see you need to stake all your Bool token. So I also cover that in this video. So to start all the process, guys, you have to tap on the link in the video description. The link is also in our Telegram channel. We'll drop the link in our Telegram channel. Tap on that link. Once tap on that link, guys, follow the on-screen process to complete the registration process. Now that you've done that, you might likely see something that you don't understand. I will guide you through the process in this video. The first thing you have to do is to come over to this place where you see tutorial. Tap on that tutorial button. Once you tap on that tutorial button, you have something like this. You see the guideline for newcomers, because we are newcomer. The first thing you have to do, guys, is to subscribe to Bool channel. Tap on this button. Once tap on that button, it comes up like this. Then tap on subscribe button. Then come back to the channel again. It's checking. Then the next one is to join Bool group. Tap on this start button as well. Once you tap on that button, allow it to load as well. You see, you tap on this join button, then go back to that Bool network. Now, then go ahead and tap on this follow on X. Tap on the follow button. So you can see that I'm already following it on X. Then go back to that platform. Now, the last one here is to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Tap on this channel. So stay on this channel for a few seconds. Now that I've done that, go back to that platform. Now we've completed all this thing here. Now the next thing you have to do is to come over and tap on this check button. Tap on check button. Tap on check button. As you tap on check button, you see that the B token you've mined is now claimed on this platform. Now go ahead and tap on this next button. Once tap on the next button, it brings you to this interface. You can see here, guys, which you need to refresh. Now total balance is what you see here, but it's more than that. So tap on this refresh button. This may take up to a few minutes. Just wait and refresh. Now that it's not coming up, you can reload this page. Now once you reload that page, as you can see, it has come up here. You have a larger number. Now the next thing is to stake on this platform. So you can stake here, you can stake any of these. So you just tap on stake button here, tap on the stake. Once you tap on that stake, it comes up like this. You see here. Now you need to can stake maximum here. So let's tap on this. So we have about 300. For sake of this video, guys, I want to stake 300 instead of staking 390. Let me stake 300. Let me stake 300 here. Now tap on confirm button. Once tap on confirm button, you see the staking is in progress. You can see successfully. Now that I've done that, tap on the next button. Once tap on next button, you have it here, guys. You have to wait for some hours to meet your badge. Now we can see that you have taken and refreshed, so we have to wait for 1 hour to get our badge. So we have to wait for this process to come over and claim our badge. Now to unlock your badge, you have to come over to this place and unlock your badge. After you've taken that, you can now take your time and explore this platform, guys. Don't miss out on this important project. This project might be a game changer. That is all I want to show you guys in this video. So if you enjoy what I've explained in this video, guys, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, guys. Tap the bell notification icon and select all so that I'm notified when I drop another important video on this channel. Thank you, guys. See you soon on my next video.